How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching. For this video, I wanted to do a Super Bowl prep or what to cook for Super Bowl kind of video. Now, it's also like a grocery haul at the same time. I just went to the store. I just kind of came up with recipe ideas on the spot as I was walking through the aisles. So this is about $200 worth of groceries, 4 bags. Now again, I'm in Oahu, Hawaii. If it doesn't look like much for 200 bucks, that's because it's not. It's actually pretty expensive over here. So lucky you if you get to save money on this kind of stuff. So I have 2 items in here that are not keto friendly that I bought just for the kids, and then I also have another 2 items, 2.5, 3 items that are keto friendly, maybe. So depending on amounts. Okay, so I'll start out with some of the things that I bought, and then I'll explain why I bought it and what I plan to do with it. Okay, so the first one right here is steaks. Okay, so steaks is the easiest ones to kind of for grilling and stuff. So I don't have a grill. Everything that I'll do tomorrow for the Super Bowl is gonna be on either pan fried or we have like a skillet that I use for like burgers and steaks and stuff. So these steaks are just gonna have some salt, pepper. This right here is a cheese platter. Again, something to snack on just in case guests decide to show up early and I don't have anything prepared. So this is just some salami, some cheese. I also have some chicken thighs. I actually wanted chicken wings, but it's the day before the Super Bowl, so they didn't have any chicken wings. And the regular unfrozen chicken thighs over here are crazy expensive. So I just got the frozen ones. I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator, let them defrost, and then I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna cook it kind of like the steaks, but with some lemon pepper spices. Now the chicken thighs and the steaks, I'm gonna cook with some of these red sweet mini peppers. Now this is one of the items that are kind of keto friendly, so just watch your portions on these. Okay, I'm gonna cook some burger patties. Now this is specifically for lettuce wraps for either burgers or some tuna. So this is what this one is for. Now I have another lettuce, which is romaine hearts, and that's gonna be for a salad. Got some celery. Now this celery, I'm gonna add it to the tuna salad. So it's gonna be tuna salad. I might add tomatoes, I'm not sure, but most for sure I'm gonna add celery to give some crunch. So this here is just some asparagus, and then I got some bacon that I'm gonna wrap, throw in the oven, and have as appetizers. If you notice, there's a trend. A lot of these vegetables are green, so keep that in mind. Okay. I got some limes. I got these limes because I want to make a pork rind with hot sauce and lime salad. These right here. So tomatoes, whole tomatoes, and then cherry tomatoes. So again, you gotta watch your portions with tomatoes. Okay. I got some zucchini. With this, I'm gonna make some shrimp Alfredo with zucchini noodles. All right, so I got the shrimp in the freezer. I'll defrost it tomorrow, but I'll make a recipe video for this one. But just remember, you gotta put salt on it and then squeeze the moisture out so you can get better noodles. So I just got some hamburger buns and some hot dog buns, just because the kids don't like to eat a lot of the vegetables, and so this is gonna help convince them to eat the burgers, those hot dogs, sausage, whatever. So this is not keto friendly, okay? Not keto friendly. I'm sure you know that though. Okay, so next I have 2 huge cauliflowers, and these I'm just gonna cut up, put some olive oil, salt, pepper, and then throw them in the oven. And then I also got the lime for these. Okay, so this is gonna go into the oven. They're really good. This next bag is full of pork rinds. These right here are just for me to have. Okay, so these are garlic flavor. These are my favorite up to this point. These are the ones that we're gonna use for the tuna salad, and I got another bag inside my pantry that I might use for the hot sauce and lemon combo, which is super good, I guess, if you're Mexican. Now these are the first time that I've seen these. I guess the brand is Epic Artisanal Pork Rinds. This one's a barbecue seasoning. I have the sea salt and pepper, and then this one is the maple bacon seasoning. So I saw these and man, I got excited. So I grabbed 2 bags of each. I got 6 bags in here, 2 of each. And then for dessert, I included these on my ice cream video. my go-to dessert. These are enlightened vanilla and chocolate ice cream. So this is 16 net carbs. So dessert, you gotta have dessert. There you go. Okay, so that's it. That was $200. That's crazy, right? So I mean, that's what I'm dealing with. That's another reason why I want to do that that RV traveling in a year and a half. So I'm gonna put these away, and then tomorrow I'll take some video of all these dishes that I'm gonna prep for the Super Bowl party that I'm gonna throw. Okay, so for now, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Super Bowl Sunday.